Here's how to allow microphone access on your iPhone. Now, if you have various apps that you want to access the microphone for, say Facebook, TikTok, Instagram, WhatsApp, etc., we need to get to your settings. Now, there could be some settings that are turned on that are restricting your ability to give apps access to that microphone. The first place I would check is your screen time. Now, within screen time, there is content and privacy restrictions, and specifically the microphone might be set to don't allow changes. We want to switch this to allow changes, but even better than that, let's go back out of here and completely toggle off content and privacy restrictions. Keep in mind, by doing that, you might need to enter in a password to unlock this screen time. This will oftentimes give you access to be able to change and give access to various apps to use your microphone. However, we need to find that access in two different places. To do that, let's go back out of here. And one place that I would recommend checking is the microphone access within privacy restrictions. On here, say Instagram or WhatsApp, we wanted to give access, we can just toggle it on here. However, sometimes the app doesn't show up here. If it doesn't show up here, let's go to that specific app within your settings. So again, let's use, say, WhatsApp as an example on this list. So find WhatsApp on this list, and there is microphone. Again, if that is toggled off, just toggle that on. Now, keep in mind, by going through these steps, you might find that it gives access to it, but you might find that it doesn't, and it doesn't show up with microphone as an option. If that's the case, all we're going to do is go to the very beginning of the settings. And from here, we're going to find that app to offload it and reinstall it. Let's again use WhatsApp as an example. I'm going to offload this app and reinstall it. By going through this process of offloading it, it removes all the cache and temporary files, but most importantly, by reinstalling it, it force updates it to the latest version. After you've gone through that process, you'll be able to open up the WhatsApp app here, and you can start making any kind of calls, and it will immediately give you access to the microphone, or at least ask you if you want to give it access.